Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take immediate action. First, verify the SQL Server instance name and edition on the host. This tells you connection string details. Next, enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager so remote protocols listen. Then open port 1433 on the host firewall or note a custom port if used. Once done, restart the SQL Server service to apply network settings. This step makes the server reachable from another. Now you configure authentication and network addressing. Set SQL Server to mixed mode if you plan to use SQL logins, because Windows only will block non-domain PCs. Create or verify a SQL login, assign a secure password, and grant database permissions needed for the task. Make sure you have the host IP address or DNS name and append port if non-standard. Once done, test local connection, strings on the host to ensure credentials and network binding work before trying remotely. To finish, connect from the remote PC using SSMS or your app with server equals IP port, database equals name, user ID equals, password equals. Choose the correct protocol, TCP, and set network library if required. If the connection fails, test basic network reachability with ping and verify port access using Telnet or Testnet connection. Make sure the SQL browser service is running when using named instances. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the SQL Server error log and Windows inbound firewall rules for blocked ports, because most remote failures are networking or authentication related.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.